What are the career options in digital marketing? Damian Kowalski says, career options in digital marketing. Working in company as digital marketer, you can earn good money there, but probably you won't be millionaire by this, so if your purpose is to become millionaire in this field, this option is not for you. Having digital marketing company, this option has a lot of potential because you can earn here lots of money with your team if you are providing high quality services, but you always have to invest first big amounts of money to hire good people to your company. Selling digital marketing knowledge in courses. This option is best for people who have a few years of experience in this field and can share a valuable knowledge with people by creating courses related to digital marketing strategies. These three options are most popular and most profitable in digital marketing. Have great day smiley face. Sachin Karambe says, 1. Digital marketing manager. 2. Content marketing manager. 3. Content writer. 4. Social media executive. 5. SEO expert. 6. Graphic designer. 7. Videographer. 8. Inbound marketing manager. 9. Search engine marketer. 10. Website content manager. 11. Advertising expert. Rainforester says, yes, definitely digital marketing is one of the most important part of marketing in this era. In fact, there's a saying, if you are not digital, you are nowhere. If you are a company and have a brand to present in public, DM is the best tool to go with, as it has the broadest reach to the prospective customers with its different modes: websites, e-commerce, applications, social media channels, blogs, etc. And if you are a student, this can be your best choice if you want to go in the marketing sector. There are plenty of colleges providing this course in a bunch with all its parts, or you can do certification courses as well in particular parts like SEO, social media marketing, content creation and management, etc. You can go with online courses also from different platforms. We hope this is useful information. Thank you. Thanks for watching our video on what are the career options in digital marketing.